Are you best inline skates? Inline skating is more than just a recreational activity. It's a versatile sport that blends fitness, fun, and mobility. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first pair or a seasoned skater upgrading to a premium model, selecting the right inline skates can significantly impact your experience. For this review, we tested 5 popular models across different price points, analyzing their features, performance, and overall value. List Papacin Adjustable Inline Skates for Kids. The Papacin Adjustable Inline Skates stand out as a budget-friendly option designed for both kids and adults. Key features include adjustable sizing, which makes them ideal for growing feet, and 8 illuminating wheels powered by motion rather than batteries. The reinforced aluminum alloy frame, 82A polyurethane wheels, and ABE7 bearings ensure durability and smooth rides. The inclusion of skate socks and a single brake design adds thoughtful touches to the package. These skates are available in vibrant colors, making them visually appealing to younger users. Performance-wise, the Papacin skates excel in casual outdoor use, offering a smooth and quiet ride thanks to their high-speed bearings. However, they are best suited for beginners and light recreational use, rather than demanding skating scenarios. The illuminating wheels are a fun feature, but may not appeal to more serious skaters. Adjustability is a major plus, allowing kids and youth to continue using them as their feet grow. The single brake design, while innovative, may require some adjustment for users accustomed to dual brakes. List 2. Derby VTEC 500 Adjustable Performance Inline Skates for Men. The Derby VTEC 500 is a versatile choice for men, women, and teens, offering adjustable sizing and a lightweight design. The triple buckle closure system ensures a secure fit, while the reinforced nylon frame provides durability. Equipped with 76mm urethane wheels and Bevo Gold 7 bearings, these skates deliver smooth performance for both indoor and outdoor use. Roller derby's reputation for quality is evident in the thoughtful design of these skates. In terms of performance, the VTEC 500 shines in casual and recreational skating scenarios. The adjustable sizing makes it a practical option for growing teens or households with multiple users. While the triple buckle closure is convenient, it may not offer the same level of precision as laces or straps for advanced skaters. The reinforced nylon frame ensures stability, but it may not be as robust as aluminum frames found in higher-end models. Overall, these skates strike a balance between affordability and functionality. List 3. Rollerblade Zetra Blade Men's Adult Fitness Inline Skate. The Rollerblade Zetra Blade is a premium model designed for recreational skaters seeking comfort and stability. Featuring a high cuff for added support and a durable monocoque frame, these skates are ideal for beginners and intermediates. The padded liner and secure closure system ensure a snug fit, while the 80mm/82A wheels and SG5 bearings provide moderate speed and wear resistance. The sleek black and silver design adds a professional aesthetic to the skates. During testing, the Zetra Blade impressed with its stability and comfort, making it an excellent choice for extended skating sessions. The high cuff offers superior ankle support, which is particularly beneficial for novice skaters. The monocoque frame lowers the center of gravity, enhancing balance and control. While the wheels and bearings deliver smooth performance, they are optimized for moderate speeds, which may not satisfy advanced users seeking higher velocity. Overall, the Zetra Blade is a reliable and durable option for fitness-focused skaters. List 4. Roller Derby Aerial Q60 Women's Inline Skates. The Derby Aerial Q60 is tailored for women, featuring a soft boot design with a ventilated toe cap and comfort memory foam padding. The aluminum tri-coil frame adds durability, while the 80mm Elite Speed wheels and Bevo Gold 7 bearings ensure smooth and fast rides. The skates come with a brake on the right foot and locking cam lever buckles for secure closure. The stylish black and pink color scheme adds a touch of personality. Performance-wise, the Aerial Q60 delivers a comfortable and stable skating experience. making it ideal for beginner to intermediate users. The memory foam padding ensures a snug fit, although it may feel slightly warm during extended sessions. The tri-coil frame provides excellent support, but may not be as lightweight as nylon alternatives. The 80mm wheels strike a good balance between speed and control, making these skates suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Overall, the Aerial Q60 is a solid choice for women seeking style and performance. List 5 inline skates for women, girls, adjustable size rollerblades for adult female. The Rolling Bunny inline skates are designed with women and girls in mind, offering adjustable sizing and a vibrant pink color scheme. Key features include a hard shell for protection, triple closure system, buckle, strap, lace, and shock absorbers for added comfort. The 72mm 83A urethane wheels and ABEX 7 bearings provide smooth and reliable performance for both indoor and outdoor skating. The removable padded liner adds convenience for cleaning and drying. These skates are particularly well suited for beginner skaters due to their stability and comfort. The shock absorbers in the soles reduce fatigue, making them ideal for extended use. However, the smaller 72mm wheels may limit speed compared to larger wheels found in other models. The adjustable sizing is a major advantage for families or individuals with growing feet. While the vibrant pink design is appealing, it may not cater to all tastes. Overall, the Rolling Bunny skates offer a blend of safety, comfort, and aesthetics.